5 Warriors Creek, we have got a fantastic property here for a number of reasons. We're going to go over those real quick, but first and foremost, look how close we are to the water. I mean, you could literally get on that lower deck with a fishing pole, sling it out there, start catching bass, brim, whatever, from your back deck. That's how close. In fact, I don't know of another house on a single family lot that's closer anywhere on the lake than what you've got here. 1.04 acres, 195 feet of waterfront. We've got 3,500 square feet, plus or minus just a little bit there. 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, no HOA in this community. So that's fantastic. That means you can do short-term rentals. You can do vacation rentals by owners. All those things are there. In fact, they've done that. They've been charging roughly $550 a night. They use the house quite a bit, but they've had a year where they brought in over $72,000 in income during the year. So if you want to offset or make some money, you know, as an investment, this would be a great place, but it also make a great full-time resident or just your own second home. Any way you want to look at it. We're going to go in here and check out this layout. What I really like about this house, they've got a lot of really nice outside areas and space, and when you find yourself at the lake house, you're going to spend a lot of time outside. But not only that, as they bought the property in 2021, they did a complete renovation. So we're talking all new flooring, bathrooms, tile, kitchen. They've added a propane tank and got a really nice stainless steel appliances with a gas stove top. So all of those things you'll see in this home. So there's really very little to do. Again, we talked about the outdoor space. They even created, before they had an outside room, a sunroom area, they enclosed that as well, or opened it up as part of the house. So that's what helps give us a little bit more square footage there. Let's head on in, check it out, because we got 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 baths, 2 more bedrooms downstairs, so a great layout. Let's head on in. Another wonderful feature about this house, look at this garage. I mean, we're talking 34, 35 feet deep. Extra storage area here. You can also see there's a pull down here. Great place for a refrigerator, but you could certainly store trailers, boat. You could stack cars, golf cart, number of things you could do with this area. You don't see, in fact, I don't know that I've ever seen a house that had a garage quite this large, but certainly that's another nice feature about this home. This is the front door entrance here, but we're going to step on in from the garage. Again, walk in and you're going to just, first thing you see is how clean and new everything looks, from the flooring to begin with, light fixtures. We'll come on in here to the first bedroom area. Again, new cabinets, hard surface tops, tile, new fixtures, the whole 9 yards here. All but 1 bedroom in this house have a great view of the water, and you'll see that as you look out there. In fact, you see the geese in the distance. They've got a lock here, kind of an owner's closet area just outside. We'll come on to the kitchen, and very open space here. We've got the laundry room here to the left, also has a sink. Come on to the kitchen. I love the color of the cabinets. Again, we have a gas stove top here. This is quartzite, all new countertops. Again, fixtures. Got a lot of cabinet space in here. This was the room that they did, you know, open this up, finished it out, added it into the heated square footage part. Makes a nice area for a dining room table. You got a nice large living room. I just like this whole open space. There'd be a great place for entertaining in this area. One thing I want to say, this boat light on the ceiling, it has sentimental value, so that would not be staying with the home, but something that we could probably help you find somebody that could build that if you want to recreate that down the road. Now get again a good shot of just where we are and how close we are to the water. This is truly again, 195 feet of waterfront, tons of decking out there for outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. Let's come around to the back of the house. This would be your master / primary bedroom, bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. And love the view from this one. You've got the glass doors on the side to give you access out there to the deck area, and the nice windows here. So what a great view to wake up to every morning. Come back here, closet here. All right, we will head downstairs and check out the lower level. You're not taking any more pictures, are you? All right, come downstairs. Got a great space down here. Let's start out with the bunk room area. What they've done here is created a bunk room, and then they've actually used the closet space on both sides here, where you could have a nice walk-in closet area, but they've put a bed in here to sleep more people. Again, if you're looking to rent the place, you're talking about just in this room alone, there's 6 kids in this room. So that's a great way to use this particular space, but also it's nicely done. Pop in here real quick. You'll see there are 2 hot water heaters. Also, the HVA system heat pump is a Trane unit. Whoa. Open that up. I love this. Look at the lighting in the ceiling, how they did that. Just really lights that hallway up. Come on into the 4th bedroom. Again, great view, looking right out here of the lake as you wake up in the morning. Same thing, new cabinets in here. As far as the countertops, hard surface tile, walk-in showers. You'll notice can lights too, ceiling fans throughout the house, all new fixtures. It's always nice to come into a situation where you don't have to do the renovation work. Just walk in and use it immediately. And now the other 4th bed or bathroom for the house, we've got 2 sinks. Again, walk-in shower, tile floors. More storage space here. And again, from here you can see the Trane heat pump. A little more storage area there. And then we'll head out to the outside space. You know, and the great thing about this, you got the lower level and the upper level. Outdoor areas to use. Great room here, whether it be a ping pong table, pool table, but a great place to maybe watch a football game if you're not going. That's the other thing. We're so close. I mean, we're just minutes away when we talk about the location to get into Ingles, Ace Hardware, Clemson football, all of those things. This space, great for exactly what you see in here. Kayaks, paddle boards, those types of things. Weed eaters, that type, you know, whatever you need there. And then let's just walk up here real quick. Check this out. But you got the pergola area. I wanted to show you the view from up here. They have replaced some boards that need to be replated, so they need to sit for a while to dry out, but then they can be stained and made the same color as the deck. And then from up here, check this out. You got a great view looking down at the boat dock. Now, the jet ski buoys will not be staying. Those will go, but the boat, or not the boat, but certainly the dock will be staying, and the lift will be staying. But a great area out here for a table. Table sitting right here late in the afternoon. The sun's going to fall over in this direction, so a great spot to sit up here and enjoy your dinner. Maybe have your grill and a cookout. And they do have a gas hookup for the grill here on the deck, But what a wonderful spot to sit here and enjoy this lake. The main lake is going to take, if you go right out of this channel, you follow the channel right out to the main lake. It dead ends back this way. A great place. You're not going to get a lot of boat traffic here, so you're going to be able to paddleboard, lay out on your floats, that type of thing, without having, you know, the waves and those kind of disturbances. So there's just a number of reasons why this is a wonderful house. But again, just look right here. When I was talking about having a reel and slinging it out there and fishing, you absolutely can do it. I mean, I could throw a coin very easily, pitch it right down there into the lake. We've got good depth on the water for the dock, so no problems there, and very private. Let's walk down the dock real quick. Great view, checking it out. One of the places you come down, it's got a long, nice private driveway coming into this home, very private. It is concrete. And the other thing about that, they have an area about halfway up that is gravel where you can put a boat trailer and store that as well. So if you're interested in this home, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Get one more shot from here, just again, see how close you are. All this nice shoreline's rip-wrapped. The lake is down today a good bit, and you can tell by the color of the rock, so it's probably down 3 feet today. And but boy, when that fills up, it really looks nice. Not saying it doesn't today, because it certainly does. So give us a call, set up an appointment. Don't see this one lasting very long.